Hi, today we'll present you the application Muévete, which is an app designed for helping people to find a route from their current location to another point, mixing several means of transportation. Here we have some options to create a profile. One is create a profile in our own account and which is hosted in our database server, or you can create an account with your Google Plus account, which is something better because it's easier and it's safer. Well, then you can select your preferences of which mean will be selected first at selecting the route. For example, bicycle, car, or mix. Right now we just can use bike, car, and mix, but in the future we will add walking, public transportation, Uber, Cabify, and some other options. Here we will select mixed means of transportation. Our preferences were saved, and then we have our main menu, in which we can select to find a route, update our preferences, or see the information about the app. When we click on find our route, GPS is searching for our current location, and now it found us. Now we have to select our destination point in the map by giving a long click on the, and here we can see the several means of transportation that we have right now. And mix is selected first as it was on the preferences. So we click on begin. Yes, we have to wait while the app thinks. And we have the our current uh, our current location and the destination. You can see that the red line is for car and the yellow one is for bicycle. And here we have our estimated time and the distance. If we click here on bike, we can see the location and times giving just 1 minute of transportation, and the same with car. So here we have some cool stuff, which is user can select the its preferred mean of transportation. We can mix several means of transportation, so they can decide when and where to take those means of transportation. In the future, we are planning to add some other features, like gas consumption, to see which route is the more ecological and economic, a prediction on climate, because here in Mexico it rains a lot on some seasons of the year, and so we will predict when it will rain and where the traffic will stop because of that rain, and we will avoid that route. And also we will add more means of transportation, public transportation, short transportation such as Uber or Cabify, with the feature of comparing the prices of those two and ordering directly from the application, Uber or Cabify. Also, we will give a notification of commonly visited places and the exact hour when you have to leave to arrive on time to your destination, so you will never be late, and this using all the routes calculated. So in summary, this is an application for using several routes. This was made by students from Universidad del Valle de México. We are Juan Alexis Romero Mora, Montserrat Guzmán Torres, Yarelius Hurtado Espejel, José Ignacio Miranda Mendoza, and Juan Luis Aguilar Vadillo. We use the Tráfico API for getting the routes and the traffic information, and there we could obtain the information for car routes and bike routes. Also, we use the frameworks of Xamarin because it will provide us an excellent opportunity in the future, which is with the same code and logic used on this code, we can program for all the other platforms such as iOS and Windows Phone.